Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades. Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me today. Let's jump right into our video and see what we can create. So we're going to finish up the coaster order today, and I already did the Christmas trees, so it's time to do the cousins to the Christmas trees, the Santa hat. And I've already spray painted my ceramic tiles gold, and I am ready to start painting the Santa hats onto the coasters. I'm going to be using Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Red, and it's probably going to be a mixture because I'm not sure how dark this will actually turn out to be against the gold, so I may end up using some other shades of red, but we're going to start with this and see what we get. Move all these out of the way, make room. So I'm just going to start with the outline and then fill it in. And I can already tell that this is probably going to be a little bit too light a red. I need it to be a little bit deeper, and I need the paint to be a little bit thicker. So we'll do the hat part of it first, and then we'll come back and put the fur around the edge, and then the little fur ball on the end of the hat. And so I'm going to be using some of this Artist Loft Crimson because it's thicker, and I can work the smoothness out with my paintbrush, and it won't leave the streaky look from the thinness of the flow acrylic. So these will all be similar. They won't be identical because they are hand painted. So they're going to be unique in that each one may be slightly different than the rest, but they'll still be a set. And just working that crimson acrylic paint into a smooth surface. And I probably will do a second layer on these as well after this dries, just to be sure that it stays nice and smooth as it dries. And I will be adding, I want the texture to be in the fuzzy fur around the edge and in the ball that is on the end of the hat. So I used Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White, mixed it with the Master's Touch gel, and then put a little bit of the Diamond Dust mica powder in there just to give it a little bit consistency and maybe a little sparkle or shimmer. And I'm just taking it really in scoops, more or less, on the end of my brush and just trying to fluff it onto the coaster, just so that it has that look that makes it authentic Santa hat. It has to have that fluffy fur. So, and at the end of the video, when I show the finished products, you'll be able to actually see the texture of the white fur that shows, but the resin is completely smooth. So they really look cute. They come together well. So I've forwarded this a little bit so that you won't have to sit here and watch me do each one of these. Although it's fun, it might be a little bit boring for viewers. And I'm just going to go back and touch up anywhere that I think it might need a little bit more of the fluff look, or maybe where it's starting to dry, I can see a little bit of the color beneath it. Just want to make sure I have good coverage all the way around. For the red part, I did actually do 2 coats, and I think that helped to deepen the red color and give it that velvety look of a Santa hat. So I think they've turned out really cute, and we're going to let them dry and set for a few days, and then I'm going to resin them, and then I'm going to show you what they look like. And here they are. I already have their resin on them, and they are cured and just waiting to go to their forever home. And right here you can see the depth of the fluff under there, but the resin is smooth, so it gives it a 3D look. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please click like and share. You make my channel grow when you do that, and that makes me so happy I can't even express it to you. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can do so. Ring that bell, get notified when I upload future videos. And I want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next creative escapade. Bye bye for now.